Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me clearly? Drop me a text whether you can hear my voice and whether you can see the board. Okay, right, great, clear. Okay, so today we are going to start the revision session for the grade 10 first term. So already we have done the grade 10 lessons and there we did 12 lessons. Today we are starting the revision. So I hope everybody is done with the revision papers that I have sent you so far. So up to today we have done revision papers up to triangles 1. So we have to discuss them. So today we will discuss the maximum we can, for example, like perimeter, square root, like that. The maximum type of papers we will discuss, and you have to put your marks there as well. And I'll be noting them down, right? Okay, we'll start the discussion. Take out your red pen, and now you have to do the markings only. And if you want, you can write the marking scheme in a separate book or in the same book. Now we have done the first term lessons. In that book itself, you can write the marking scheme, or else you can mark your answers and correct them then and there, right? So the revision for the first thing we are going to do is perimeter. Okay, perimeter. Right, now perimeter paper, let's see the first question. So already I have sent the papers to you all. First question says, the perimeter of a rectangle is P. If the length of this rectangle is L, find the breadth. So I noticed some students have taken that L as 1 also, but it is not 1, children, it is L. But I have given, you can take the marks for the people who have taken 1 as well. I'll do both the methods, okay? Now, perimeter of a rectangle means you are adding all the sides and all the sides, 2 lengths and the 2 breadths. Now, if I consider the rectangle's length as L, how to find the breadth? So I mean, you have to subject the B letter. So P equal 2L plus 2B. Then I can take subtract minus 2L is equal to 2B. So if you're finding the breadth only, you have to take P minus 2L upon 2 equal B. So I gave marks for these type of answers also, because if you consider it as L, this is the answer. But some students, they have taken, I noticed, as 1 plus B. This L they have noticed as 1. So if you do it in that manner, your answer is P upon 2 equal 1 plus B. P upon 2 minus 1 equal B. So this is also accepted. So one of this answer should be there, right? So you are getting how many marks for this? 2 marks. First question, you are getting 2 marks. Please take your marks correctly. Don't ask me again. Right, now we'll go to the second question. Second question says, find the circumference of the circle when radius is r. Circumference of the circle when radius is r. So that is 2 pi r. Some students have make r the subject and written c over 2 pi. So this answer, no marks. For this answer, no marks, because they are asking to find the circumference. So you have to write this one. So for this also you are getting 2 marks. Next question, find the circumference of the circle when radius is equal to 3.5. Right, circumference equation we already know. When radius is equal to 3.5 means you have to substitute 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5. So 3.5, how can I take it? I can take it as 35 upon 10 as a fraction. Now it's easy to cancel for me. Here I'm getting 2 times table. Now I can cancel both 5s. So the final answer is 22 centimeter circumference. So here also you get 2 marks. That's what I told you. Now here I have written the marks again. Don't ask me. First question 2 marks, second question 2 marks, third question 2 marks. Okay, right. Now we'll go to the fourth question. The ones who are done, once you're still doing, please raise your hand. Then I can keep the screen. If you're still writing, Tell me. Okay, everybody's done. Very good. Right, now we'll go to the fourth question. Okay, look at the fourth question now. In the fourth question, they have given a rectangle and a square. Okay, children, right, listen carefully. Rectangle, they have named it as A, length 9 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter. Second diagram they have given is a square. It's named as B, all sides are equal. Now the question is telling that if the area of the figure A is equal to area of the figure B, this one's area, what is the area of this figure A? 9 into 4. Area means length into breadth, that is 36 square centimeter. Area of the figure B, that is also 36 square centimeter. Then what is the side length? I saw that some students have done this question wrong, right? So this is actually not 36 divided by 4, children. Like you can do it 36 divided by 4, but the method is how length into breadth is equal to area, right? So 36 square centimeter means how can you find one side then?
Find the square root of it.
Yeah, you have to find the square root of it. Can you understand? So sum has done 36 should be divided by 4. If you divide this, you are getting 9. 36 square root means 6 centimeter. Because 6 into 6 is only 36, not 9 into 9. So this is the final answer. I mean, final in the sense they're asking what? Find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter, no? Right. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 6 times 4. That is equal to how much? 24 centimeter. This is the final answer. So for this question, you are getting 2 marks here, right? 2 marks here and 2 marks here. It's a 6-mark question. Right. Next one, question number 5. You have to be honest when you're marking your paper because you have to understand your standard, right? Your marks is said only to myself. Nobody else is going to listen, right? I'll be noting that down. That's it. Okay. Question number 5. Diameter of a tractor wheel is 1.75 meters. Diameter is given as 1.75. Find the number of rounds it rotates traveling 275 meters. Right. The distance is 275 meters. Right. So how can we do it? Diameter is given. Right. First of all, we'll write the equation for circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now they have given diameter. Then we have to change this equation for, now 2r means 1d. So I can write pi d. 2r means 1d. If you want, write it there. Right now pi d is the equation. Now they are asking us, find the number of rounds it rotates traveling 275 meters. Can you understand? Number of rounds. So the answer should not come in centimeter or meter. Answer gets cancelled. So you have to take the number of rounds that they have given. Sorry, distance. Distance should be divided by the diameter. Can you understand? That means the distance 275 meters divide by 1.75 meters. Then only you are getting the answer in terms of number of rounds. Some children, they had substituted the values here and there and taken the answer. That is wrong. So how can we divide this easily? Look at the way of division. 275 divide by 1.75. 1.75 means, children, 175 upon 100. Right? 2 decimal places. Can you understand? So I can solve this easily and show you now. 275, take the reciprocal 100 upon 175. Now, by what number can you divide 275 and 175 at once? By 25 times table. Yes, very good. So you are getting 11 here. If you divide 175 by 25, you get 7 here. Can you understand? Now you are getting 1100 upon 7. So definitely we are getting a decimal answer, 1100 upon 7. So how many rounds? 157.1. So this answer you have to round off because usually rounds cannot come in decimal. So you can say therefore approximately how much? 157 rounds. Approximately 157 rounds, because you can't take 158. This is not more than 5. If this is more than 5 only, more than or equal to 5 only, you can convert to 158. Can you understand? If you have got this answer only, you get the marks, right? So you are getting 1 mark, so 2 marks for division, and 2 marks for your simplification, and 2 marks for your final answer. So it's a 6 marks question again. It's a good question. You had to be honest to your marks, your marking. Okay, now we'll go to the next question, question number 6. Right? Question number 6. Question number 6 is saying, if the circumference of a circle is 132 centimeter, if anyone didn't understand what I explained, please raise your hand and tell me the question. I can re-explain it. Circumference of the circle is 132 centimeter. They're asking to find the radius. Now the circumference equation, you know, 2 pi r equation, we need to find radius. So we can make the subject here, but before that, if you want, you can do the simplification, but no point doing the simplification because we cannot cancel anything. We can just multiply 44 upon 7 into r. Now denominator becomes here the numerator. Numerator here becomes the denominator. This is equal to r. Can you understand? Now you are getting this. How much? 132 and 44. They are divisible by 2 times table. 2 times 6, 12. So 12 here again, another 6, right? Then here 2 times 22. Again, you can divide this by 11 times table. 11 times 2 and 11 times 6. Is it correct? Yeah. Then here you get again 6 divided by 2. So that is 3. 3 times 7. Therefore, r is equal to 21 centimeter. Can you understand? Right. Let's go to the question number 7 now. Right. 7th question, they have given a big figure for you. So I'll draw the figure here before I start the explanation. Put your marks correctly. If not, it won't be easy for you to add. Right. Okay. Now they have given 2 right angle triangles. Can you understand? 2 right angle triangles. Now this is B, E, A, D, C. BDC triangle, ABE triangle. This is 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter, again 5 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. Now what are they asking? Find the perimeter of the figure. Right. What is the perimeter of the figure means? Perimeter of this. Okay, for the 6th question, didn't I tell you the marks? 6th question. Circumference of the figure, find the radius of it. Yeah, for that one, 2 marks. That's the 2 marks. Right. Now look at this one. Perimeter of this figure means you have to add the outer boundary. AB, BC, CD, then DE and EA. That's all you have to add. Now we'll see whether we know all these values. AB is 12, BC 5, CD 4, DE DE we don't know. EA is 5. That means our target is to find DE. How can we find DE now? First of all, you have to consider one triangle. We'll take triangle ABE triangle, right? We are going to apply the Pythagoras. Right, tell me, in the ABE triangle, which side is the hypotenuse?
BE.
Yeah, is the 90-degree part. So if you keep this triangle stand straight, this one, BE, I can write the Pythagoras theorem. BE squared is equal to BA squared plus AE squared. Can you understand? BA squared plus AE squared. Now what is BE? We don't know. We are going to find that. BA is 12 squared. AE is 5 squared. You're getting here 144 plus 25. So you get 9 6, 1. That is for BE squared. So if you want only BE, you get the square root, that is 13 centimeter. But we need DE. You have to understand one thing. If it is DE, that is subtraction of BE minus what? BE minus BD. Yeah. So now we have to find BD also. If you need to find BD, you have to consider the triangle BDC. In the triangle BDC, what is the hypotenuse? BC squared. Can you understand? BC squared. BC squared is equal to BD squared plus DC squared. Now BD squared only we don't know. So we have to subject this one. Subjecting means you bring it to this side. And BC you bring it to this side. This positive DC is already there. This positive BC squared becomes negative BC squared. Can you understand? Now DC squared means 4 squared, BC squared means 5 squared, that is 16 minus I did a mistake. What is the mistake I did?
Miss, it should be addition, no?
Addition of what? Anybody who can point me my mistake here?
Uh, 25 is the hypotenuse. So you
Yes.
have to subtract 16 by 25.
25, yes, it should be like this. I did a mistake is BD squared is, if I take that one to this side, it doesn't become negative. I'm shuffling the side, okay? I'm shuffling the side. If you want, I'll do it like this. BC squared here, BD only I'm going to find, let it be positive. This one should be negative. Then what I get, BC squared, that is 25 minus 16 is equal to BD squared. So how much do you get? 9. Now, for BD means 9 square root is equal to BD, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Now, BE minus BD. Therefore, DE is equal to 13 minus 3, that is 10 centimeter. Now, what's the perimeter? We can write down 12 plus 5 plus 4 plus 10 plus 5. 12, 5, 4, 10, 5. Now, add them together. Here 10, 20, 30, 34, 36 centimeter. Who got 36 centimeter as the perimeter? Raise your hand. How many of you got 36 as the perimeter? Very good. Very good. Excellent. Right. Now put your marks as I am going to show you. Here you get 2 marks for doing the Pythagoras. Here you get 2 marks for doing the Pythagoras. And here you get 2 marks for getting only DE. And here you get 2 marks for getting the final answer. So how many marks? 8 marks question. It's an 8-mark question. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Question number 8. Question number 8, find the perimeter of each of the following plane figures. Now this is a question related to your perimeter lesson last topic. Perimeters of plane figures containing sectors, that lesson, right? So I'll draw the figures first of all until you can copy down this. Right, now listen to the question here. This is the first diagram. How can you find the perimeter of this diagram? Perimeter of this diagram means you're adding all the outer boundary. 120, this is also 120, this is 70, and we are not adding this one. We add the arc length. So we will have to find the arc length. Now I'll clear this part. I think you all have done with the work. Is there anybody who is still writing this one? No. Right, then I can clear. Right, now listen. First of all, I had to find the arc length. So you should remember the arc length equation that you have added to your concept book as well. Theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Now theta means the semicircle, so I can take half into 2 into 22 over 7. Radius, what is the radius? This is the diameter, 70. Radius is half of 70, right? Now I can cancel 2 and 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 11. 7 times 1, 7 times 10. Answer is 110 centimeter. Now we are going to find the perimeter. Adding 120 plus another 120, 70, and the arc length 110. 100, 200, 300, 370, 390, 400, 420. 420 centimeter. Is it correct?
Meters, right?
Meter, yeah.
But
Yeah, it's
meter.
meters. Meter. Here also meter. Then you are getting 2 marks here, 2 marks here. Now we'll go to your next diagram in the same question. It's given like this way. There also we want this arc length. Why? Because it's a boundary part. So already they have given this is centimeter 45, this is 35. Then this is also definitely 45, children. This one is an imaginary line, 35 as the diameter. So here also we have to find the arc length. So let's find the arc length. Right, it's a semicircle. 35 is the diameter. So radius is half. 2, 11, 7 and 5. 55 upon 2. That is the what? Arc length. Then perimeter is 45 plus 45 plus.
2 pi r, right?
Yes, half. I have written half pi r. Thank you. 2 pi r. So another 2 comes. That's then this cancels. It's easy. 55. Very good. 55. Now, what's the answer?
180.
Yeah, 180. This is 90. If you add this one, you are getting another 90. So it's 180 centimeter. So here you get 2 marks. For finding arc length, you get 2 marks. It's a question number 8 is totally 8 marks. So you are getting 4 plus 4, 8. Right, now we'll go to question number 9. Find the perimeter of each of the following plane figures. Again, they have given certain plane figures to find the perimeter. So let me draw the diagram until you can copy down this. Okay, now we'll discuss the first diagram here. Look at the board. It's given to find the perimeter. That means this whole length and these two radius. So it's a perimeter of a sector equation. What is the perimeter of a sector equation? Theta over 360 into 2 pi r, that is the arc length, then plus 2r. This equation should be written. You are getting 1 marks for that. Now here, theta is what? What is theta? 120? No. Theta is equal to 360 minus 120. Right? So you get how much? 240 degrees. 240 over 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 28 plus 2 times 28. Clear? Now we'll solve this one. Look at the board when you're solving this properly. 0, 0 cancels. 6 times 6 and 6 times 4. Then again 2 times 3, 2 times 2. Directly if you want to cancel, you can cancel from 12 times table. Now I see here 7 times 1 and 7 times 4. What else? Can we cancel anything? No. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4, you are getting 16. 16 times 22 upon 3 plus you get here 56. Is that correct? Yeah, it's correct, right? Now you can multiply 16 times 22, you get 352. Divide by 3 plus 56. So you can do fraction method also. If not, you can divide 352 by 3, but you will get a decimal answer 117.3. You can add this of 56 centimeter. So you get how much? 173.3. I remember. Huh? I remember some students had got this answer. Is it correct? How many of you got this answer? Yeah, good. Copy down the ones who didn't get it. See where you have gone wrong. Try not to do that mistake again. Right? Actually, how many marks for this question? 1 mark for writing the equation. Okay. 1 mark for substitution. 2 marks for the answer. So altogether, 9th question, first part you are getting 4 marks. Now I'm going to go to the next one. So I'll clear the board. Right, next diagram, 30 degree. Again, you can write the equation perimeter is equal to theta over 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r. So theta here is 30 degree already given. We don't need to find anything else. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 10.5. I can take it as a fraction 105 upon 10. And 2 times 10.5 is how much? 22. Is it correct? Is it correct? No.
It's 20.
21, right. I noticed some students, they had taken it as 22 centimeters. So how did you get 22? Why, like, if you multiply this way, 2 times 5, 10. So you can't multiply 2 times 1 is 2, right? It's 2 times 0, it's 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1, 2. So be careful when you are doing the multiplication when related with 0, okay? Right. Now 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 12s come here. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 6 here. This one also you can cancel, right? 2 times 5 and 2 times 11. 7 times 1 and 7 times 15. Then these are divisible by 3 times table. 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. 5 and 5 cancel. You are getting 11 upon 2 plus 21. Again, you get a decimal, right? Again, you get a decimal. 5.5 plus 21 you get. You should get the answer 26.5 centimeter. So you get 1 mark for writing the equation, 1 mark for the working, 2 marks for the answer. Altogether 4 marks. Okay, listen again. There's a request on explaining again. Right, now in this question, theta magnitude is 30 degree, theta upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius 10.5 plus 2 times 10.5 is 21. Okay, when you're simplifying this, 0 and 0 cancels. 3 times 1, 3 times 12. 2 times 1, 2 times 6. Okay, then these two I can cancel. Okay, you're asking to explain like that, right? 11 upon 2 plus, if you take 2 here, 2 times 21, you have to make both numerator and denominator, you should multiply by 2. So you are getting 42. If you do it this way, you are getting 53 upon 2. So you can divide and see 53 upon 2. You will get the same answer again. Yeah, you are getting the same answer, 26.5. Right? So you can't take 21 upon 2 because 21 is a separate part. Right? You have to take 11 upon 2. Can you understand? Right. We'll go to the next one. Question number 10. I'll clear the board. Question number 10 is related to shaded part. Okay, this is important question. Let's see how many of you have taken correct for this one. Right, it's like this way. Small semicircle is there. That gap is given 14. Another right angle triangle is there where this is 3, this is 4, this is 16, and this is 30, and this part is shaded. So what are they asking us to do? Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So shall I put some letters here? A, B, C, D, E. If I want to find the perimeter of the shaded portion only, I need to take AB plus BC plus, I'll put here O, and I'll put here D, here I'll put E, and here I'll put the F letter. I need COD arc length, and I need the DE short length, then EF length, and FA length. These lengths, first of all, I need to know. So let's see how many lengths I already know. AB length, I don't know because it's a hypotenuse. BC length, I can find because it is 30 minus 3. On the top, they have given 30. Here it's given 3. So this is 30 minus 3. COD arc length also, I don't know. DE short length, can I find the DE short length? Yes, I think I can find the DE short length. What will be the length of the DE portion? Can anybody tell me what will be the length of the DE portion? Come on, who can tell me?
Miss, what?
The DE short length, this one's length. Definitely these two portions are equal. So this whole thing is how much? 16 plus 4. Can you understand? 16 plus 4. So DE length should be from the whole 20. 20 minus, yeah, 20 minus 14, and then divide by
Divide
2.
by 2.
Yeah, very good. Divide by 2. Then EF length, do I know the EF length? Yes, directly we can take 30. FA length is already given 16 centimeter. Now I know all those lengths. Now we'll see AB length, I don't know. This one 30 minus 3 means I am getting 27. COD, I don't know. This one I get 3, this one 30, and this one 16. Now shall we come to the work? We'll find AB length, right? AB length, how to find? Consider the triangle. I had to put another letter here. I'll put L. I had to find the triangle ALB, right? So if I do the hypotenuse theorem, hypotenuse squared is equal to the other two sides, AL squared plus LB squared. So I'm getting 4 squared plus 3 squared, 16 plus 9, 25. Therefore, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Now I have to consider arc length. So arc length of what? Arc length of COD. So arc length equation, you know, theta over 360 into 2 pi r. Listen carefully. Semicircle. So I can put half into 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius. Diameter is 14. Radius is half of 14. 7, 7 cancel. 2, 2 cancel. 22 centimeter. Now you can say, therefore, perimeter is equal to what? You can take AB 5 centimeter, 27, COD that is 22. Other lengths are 3 plus 30 plus 16. What is the final answer you get here?
Miss, that 20 minus 14 divided by 2 is one part value now. So we have to take two part value now.
No. That is no.
We no need to divide by 2. We need 6
Wait.
now.
I think I have not added it. Ne? Wait a second. AB, BC. Yeah. It's not COD. Okay, let me put COD here. AB. I put some other letters like, you know, BK or something. Right. I missed one part. Thanks. AB, BK, KC also we need, ne? Okay, can I write it here? KC, we need KC also, yes. So, how to correct it? KC is coming to this one. Okay, let me make the correction. No, let me make the correction. If not, it's not clear for you. Perimeter AB, BK, KC plus COD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Okay, AB we don't know. BK we already know 30 minus 3. KC and DE. KC and DE are, let me take them as X and X. Okay, so you are getting for that one, these two together I'll find, that is 20 minus 14. COD we don't know. EF we know 30. FA 16, right? Now you are getting AB plus 27 plus, how much is this you get? 16. No, 6 plus COD we don't know. 30 plus 16. Yes. Now, this 3 should become 6 here. Here also I had to change. 5, 27, 22, 6. Then 30 and 16. Yes, now correct. Thank God you noticed it. So how much is the answer now?
84 centimeter.
84 for the whole thing. 5 plus 27, 22, 6, 30 and 16.
84 plus 22.
Yeah. How much is that? 106 centimeter. Check whether you got 106 centimeter as a final answer. I'll tell you how your marks is given. So you get 2 marks for the final answer. You get 2 marks for finding the AB length, 2 marks for finding the COD length, right? And also for doing these 3, this part clearly, you get 2 marks. So you get totally 8 marks. 8 marks for the 10th question. Right, now we'll go to question number 11. If you're done with this one. 11th question. Right, I'll draw the diagram here. Right, in this 11th question, question number 11, I'm going to discuss now. They have said us to find the R. Perimeter is 50. Perimeter means what, children? The 2R plus arc length. Right, so perimeter is given as 50 centimeter. Radius only we have to find, but arc length we can find easily. Arc length we can find easily. So first we'll find the arc length. Arc length. What is the arc length here? 90 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. Okay. So 2 pi R. Now we'll see 1 upon 4 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 11. So what is the arc length? You get 11R upon 7. This is the arc length you get. Right. I'll clear this part, the previous question. All right. Now I'll do this one here. Now we need perimeter, 50 centimeter perimeter. Here you have 2R plus 11R upon 7. This is fractions now. You have to make the common denominator 7. If the 7 is common denominator, 7 times 2 is 14R plus 11R. So how much you get here? 25R upon 7 is 50. Now keep R alone. So take 7 here, divide by 25. Now you get R as a subject. Now we have to simplify. 25 times 1, 25 times 2. Therefore, R is equal to 14 centimeter. So how do you get the marks here? You are getting for final answer 2 marks. For the correct simplification, making common denominator, you get 2 marks. For getting the arc length, you get 2 marks. So it's a 6 marks question. 6 marks question. 10th question marks is 8. 10th question marks is 8. 11th question marks is 6. If you have done these steps, you are getting these marks. If you have not done the step, you are getting the marks only for the answer. Steps are much important, right? So try to attend all the discussion of the revision papers. They are very important before you face the term paper, right? I said you, I'll be giving you a term paper like by the end of the July. Like somebody tell me like when is your first term exam? I heard last time Sahdia was reminding me. When was it? When is it?
July 8th or July 16th, they said.
Okay. Before that, definitely we'll be doing a paper. So let's take the date as July 6th or something. Right. July 6th will take. Ashfan, is it on June 26th or June 27?
Yes, miss.
June 27 means next. What is the day today? Okay, we have another 2 more weeks. Okay, right. Anyways, Ashwan has a problem there. Right. We'll see. We'll try to do it. Like you have even the knowledge of doing the revision papers. So no problem in that. We'll see. Right. Now we'll go to the next question. Question number 12. So if we discuss fast, we can cover. Right. Question number 12. It says to find the D diameter. So it's given perimeter is equal to 72. So this is the diagram given. 72. Sorry, this is D. Perimeter means what? D plus arc length. So first we'll find the arc length. Listen carefully. Half into 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius means what is it here? D upon 2. You have to take it as D upon 2. 2 cancel. 2 times 1, 2 times 11. So the answer is 11D upon 7. That is the arc length. Perimeter is equal to D plus arc length. So perimeter is given 72. D plus 11D upon 7. Same type of question. Make the common denominator. 7D plus 11D upon 7 equals 72. 72 into 7 upon 11 plus 7 means you are getting 18. This is equal to D. So this is divisible. 72 and 18. How can you cancel? Yes,
6
directly
times.
by. No, yeah, 6 times is okay. Directly by 18 times table means 18 times 4. So 4 times 7 is 28. Diameter is equal to how much? 28 meters. 28 meters. Diameter is equal to 28 meters. So the marks for this one, 2 marks for the final answer. Correct.
Miss, they asked to find the radius, no?
No, they're asking to find D.
Okay, miss.
Yeah. Correct. 2 marks for the correct denominator. Okay. Then another 2 marks for taking the arc length. So that is for the 12th question. Again, you are getting 6 marks. Please note your marks correctly. Again and again, I'm telling that only. Right. Question number 13. Before last question, if we can discuss it soon. Right. Question number 13 says arc length is 44 upon 3. Find the radius. Now this is in this paper, you have all the possible ways of getting the question to your term exam. Right? When the arc length is given, how to find radius. When the perimeter is given, how to find the diameter. When perimeter is given, how to find the radius. Everything is there. Right. Now we'll go to the question number 13. If you're writing or something, please let me know. Right? I'm erasing the board because thinking that you have finished copying down. Right. 13th question. Arc length equal 44 upon 3. It's a, what type of fraction is this? Who can tell me the name of this fraction?
Improper.
Very good. Improper. When the numerator is greater, we call it improper. Now they're asking to find theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, how can we do this? Let's take the arc length equation. Arc length equation is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Arc length equation. Theta is 60. 60 upon 360. Arc length is 44.3. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. Now I'm going to simplify. 0 and 0 cancel. 6 times 1, 6 times 6. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Now I'm getting here 22 R upon 21. Here 44 upon 3. Okay. Now I can take this 44 multiplied by 21. Denominator comes here. 3 multiplied by 22 comes down. Now we can simplify. 3 times 1, 3 times 7. 11 times 2, 11 times 4. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Therefore, radius equal 14 centimeter. This is the final answer. Check whether you got it. If you have not got, correct your answer. 2 marks for getting the final answer. 1 mark for getting the correct equation. 2 marks for simplification. And subjecting the R properly and doing the value correctly. That means for the simplification, you are getting 3 marks. Okay, it's totally 3 marks for simplification. So altogether, question number 13, you are getting 6 marks. Question number 13, you are getting 6 marks. Okay, have you finished? If you're writing, raise your hand. Now we'll go to the last question, that is question number 14. After this one, you all can total your marks also. So I'll clear the board. Right, now look at the last question. It is given this type of diagram. They have given radius is equal to 28 and theta unknown, but they have provided us the perimeter. Perimeter is given in a mixed fractional form. See, you can see all the possible ways of getting the question. Perimeter is given in a mixed fraction. Now you have to find theta. So what is the equation? You have to use perimeter equation. Perimeter of sectors equation. Theta over 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r. This equation only you have to use. Okay. Okay, right. Theta. Okay, Hima. Theta we don't know. So we are writing it. This one, shall we convert it? It's easy if we convert. If you convert, how much do you get, children? Anybody who can tell?
344 divided by 3.
Hmm?
344 divided by 3.
344. She's correct. 344 divided by 3, that is centimeters. So I'll write it here, 344 upon 3. How did you convert? 3 times 114, 342, 342 plus 2, 344, into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28, keep it in brackets, plus 2 times 28. Listen carefully, children. Don't get distracted. Right. Now we'll solve this one. 7 times 1, 7 times 4. 2 times 1, 2 times 180. Listen carefully. This one also I can divide by which times table? 4 times table. If I divide 180 by 4, I can get 45. 4 times 45 and 4 times 1. 22 and 45. By what number can you divide? Can you divide by any number? No. So you are getting 22 theta upon 45 plus this is 56. Here you get 344 upon 3. Make the common denominator now. Is it whether making the common denominator is easy or carrying is easy? Did we make it complicated? No, we can
Yes,
carry.
we
No?
can take as a fraction.
Okay, we'll take the common denominator. Then if you take common denominator, the problem is you have to multiply this by 45. It's okay. You're getting a big value. I'm trying to avoid it. Is there any possible chance? What about carrying this to here? It's better. 344 upon 3 minus 56 equal 22 theta upon 45. Now solve this one. Make the common denominator. I'll take it to this side. 344 minus 56 into 3. You have to take the common denominator 3. So you get 56 into 3, 168. Now common denominator is 3. Did you understand? Now we'll subtract 344 minus 168 means you are getting 176 upon 3. Right? Then you can take the denominator 45 also equal to 22 theta. Okay, did you understand what I'm doing here? I carried the 45. Denominator, if I carry it to this side, it becomes numerator because 45 and 3 are divisible. Okay, 45 and 3 are divisible. So you get here 15. Right? Now you have to multiply 176 and 15. You get a big answer. Without multiplying, we'll do it. If you multiply, we get a big answer. If you do like this way, you can cancel. What values can you cancel? 176 and 22. So if you divide 176 by 2, you get 88. If you divide 22 by 2, you get 11. See, I'm doing it with shortly, okay? Then 11 ones and 11 times 8. Now the theta value is 8 times 15. Therefore, theta is equal to 120 degree. How many of you got theta equal to 120 degree? Raise your hand. Wow, good, Ashpan. 2 marks for the final answer. Taking the correct equation, 1 mark. For the
Teacher,
simplification, yeah,
did you show the working from the beginning?
here, this is the beginning. First of all, you're writing the equation. Then you are substituting the given values, right? Then you are simplifying and getting the simplest. Then I carried 56 to this side. Then after that, I made 56 common denominator 56 times 3. And here denominator 1 times 3. So now you get this one. After that, solving this and getting this value. Then this 45, I'm multiplying from both the sides and carrying for this side. Then it's gone from here. Then 22 theta remain. After solving this one, I take the 22 theta down, 22 down. Then solving this one and finding theta. Is it clear for you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, for the simplification part, children, you are getting how many marks? 2, 3, 3 marks. For the simplification, simplification means getting common denominator, doing the simplification correctly, carrying things, all those things together, you are getting 3 marks. All together, question number 14 is a 6 mark question. Put your marks correctly. Okay, finally, in the corner of the paper, put your marks out of 76. Put your marks out of 76. Okay, listen carefully what I'm telling you. Put your marks out of 76. Now, for example, let's tell your marks is somewhere like 70. Right. This one multiply by 100. Take the calculator, right? Take the calculator and type this one. Okay, that value multiply by 100. Okay, then round off your marks to the nearest and send me in the chat box. Round off your marks to the nearest. That means if you get like 88.1 children, your marks is 88. If you get 88.5 or 88.7, your marks is 89. Like that. You know how to round off? You have learned in grade 9. I want you to do in this way. Put your marks out of 76, then multiply it by 100 and send it to me in the chat box. Quickly. Okay, children. Now we are going to the revision paper 2, square root. Okay. Revision paper 2, square root. We'll discuss the maximum we can. Give me 1 second. The first question says to find the square root of the given numbers. Now look at the board. Question number 1, part A. Square root of 9. These are easy. Square root of 9 is 3. Part B, square root of 225. So if you don't know how to find, I'll teach you a method. Listen carefully. 225 should be start dividing from the prime numbers. So it's the last number 5 means prime number 5. If you divide 225 by 5, you are getting how much? 40. 20 comes here. 25 means 5. 45 divided by 5, 9. 9 is divisible by prime number 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. What is the answer? 1, 5 and 1, 3 you have to take. That means 15. Because you have 2 5s, you take 1 5 out. You have 2 3s, you take 1 3 out. So 15. C1 also I'll explain if you didn't understand this one. C1 actually can't explain because directly it's divisible by what number? Okay, let's see. 9 is there. So by 3 times table. Then if you divide this by 3 times table, how much do you get? 28 divided by 3. Yes, very good. 24. 24 means what? You have to tell 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Then again you are getting 49. Any other part?
8 times 9 is 27.
Ah, yeah, and 3 times 9 is there, 27. Then if you take 19, it's not divisible.
So directly divide by 70.
Directly we can divide by, no, why can't we divide by 3? Nineteen is not divisible. Last digit 9 is, okay. Okay, you can't divide, it's not getting the unit number. If you divide by 7, what do you get? 289 divided by 7.
Some decimal number.
It's a decimal answer, it's not divisible. That's what I told you. Directly, I think you have to divide by 17 only. It's divided by 17. So you have to take 170 now. 289 square root is 17. You can't divide by any other prime number, but 17 is a prime number. D part answer 2209. It's a large number. What is the square root? 47. Right? You have to directly get it. These are prime numbers. Okay. E part 1024. This one you can take. I can show you. Right, 1024. First prime number is 2 children. So you can get 512. Again, 2 prime number. So you get how much here? 6. Is that correct? Yeah, again 2 here. You get here 8. Again 2, 64. Again 2, 32. Again 2, 16. Again 2, 8. 2 here, 4 divided by 2, 2, 2 divided by 2, 1. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 16, 16 into 2, 32. Square root of 1024 is 32. Can you understand? So how many questions are here? 5 questions are there. For the first question, you are getting 5 marks. For each 1 mark. This is your answer, marks. Check it and put your marks correctly. Okay, now we'll go to the second question. Shall I erase the board? Okay. Question number 2, it says 4356 square root. Shall we do it in prime number method? 4356. Look at the board. First prime number is 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 3 divided by 2, only 1. So 15, that is 7. Again 16, that is 8. Divide again by 2, 1, 0. 17 means 8, 16, 18 means 9. Now you can't divide by 2. Last digit is 9. Can we divide it by 3? Yeah, right? 3. So you get 6 here, again 3 here. Again, you can divide by 3, 1, 2, 1. This one by what number can you divide? By observing this, you can tell.
7.
11, 11 and 11. Now you get 11 divided by 11, 1. Now what is the answer? Take 1, 2 out. Take 1, 3 out. Take 1, 11 out. So answer is 66. Square root of this one is 66. Okay, right. Now the next one, 11,025. Let me do that and show you question number 3. 11,025. Marks for this one, children? 2 marks. It's a big question. 11,025. By what digit can we divide? By 3. Yeah, 3. 9 comes, 20 comes here, then 6. Again 2 comes, 22 means
7.
7. 15 means 5. Again, you can divide by 3, I guess. So 1, 2, 1. No. 2. Then 5. Again, if you divide this by 5, you can take 2, 4, 5. Divide by 5 again, you get 4, 9. That means it is divisible by 7. So what is the answer? 1, 3 out, 1, 5 out, 1, 7 out. What is the answer you get? 105. Very good. 2 marks. Put your marks correctly. First question 5 marks. Second question 2 marks. Third question 2 marks. If anybody need any extra explanation, please let me know. Right, now we are coming to the question number 4. Question number 4, they are asking to find the answer for the first approximation method. So these are the simplest questions what we did now using the prime number method. And now we are going to discuss about the first approximation method. So listen carefully if you are a student who is weak in first approximation. Okay, let's take the question. Question number 4, first one. No, sorry, only one is there. 32. Now listen carefully. Square root of 32. What are the two perfect squares closer to 32?
25 and 36.
25. 25 means 5. So next one is number 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Right. Give me 1 second. I'm receiving a call. Okay, right. Sorry. Now you can see 25 and 36 are there. What is the closest? How can we find the closest? What is the difference from 32 to 25?
7.
7 difference is there. 36 and 32? Yes, tell me. 36 to 32, what is the difference? 4. What is the most closest one now? This one. So we start from 5 point, right? So here we have to check from what? 5.5 to 5.9. We have to check from 5.5 to 5.9. So there is no time to show you how to check and all because already you know that you have to multiply and check it. So directly I'll come to the answer. Answer is what?
5.7.
5.7. Okay. We'll see 5.6 and 5.7 both we'll see. 5.6 into 5.6. We'll see what we get.
31.36.
36. 5.7 into 5.7.
32.49.
32.49. Now we need 32 children. Okay, listen carefully what answer to choose. Now I'm checking. Right, this is my checking one. 32 minus 31.36. If I subtract this one, I'm getting 4 here. Here I get 6 here, 0 and 0. This is the difference. If I subtract this one, 32.49 and 32, difference is 0.49. Now, what is the best answer?
5.7.
5.7. This is the less one. So therefore, square root of 32 is approximately closer to 5.7. Don't write 0.49. Some children write that. It's not that the answer. It's 5.7. This is the answer. So this all working should be done in your place, in your paper. It's good for you, right? So don't try to do this in a rough place. Try to do in the paper itself in a side. Check your answer. If it is correct, you are getting how many marks? For this one, you get 1 mark. For this final answer, you get 2 marks. So fourth question, totally 3 marks. Right? Shall we go to the next one? Question number 5. Okay, children. Question number 5. I'm going to move. If you're writing, please let me know. Nobody is writing. Okay. Good. Everybody's done in the sense good. Okay. Question number 5. Part A. Square root of 484. Now have to do in the same method. No, they're asking to get the square root only, not for the first approximation. How can we get this one? Again, go to the prime number method. 484 divided by 2, 242. Again, divide by 2, 1, 2, 1. Divide by 11. What is the answer? 2 times 11. What is it? 22. How many marks you get? 2 marks. Part A, you get 2 marks. Part B, square root of 676. Again, use the prime number method. Divide by what number? 2. You are getting 3, 3, 3,
3, 3,
8. Ne? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, 16, not 6. 3, 3, 8. Then again, if you divide this by
2. 169.
169. Now this is a familiar number. 13. What is the answer? 2 times 13, that is 26. Again, you get 2 marks. Question number 5, part B, children. Okay. Now part C, 400. This is a very familiar number. But I'll do and show you. 400 divided by 2, 200. 200 divided by 2, 100. 100 divided by 2, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. What is the answer? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 2 marks. Put your marks correctly. D, 1225. Hima, what is your answer for this D part?
35.
35. She's correct. That is 2 marks. E. Ashfan, what is your answer for E part? 144 square root. What is your answer? What is the answer? Yes, Sabiha correct. Ashfan, what is your answer for last one, 144 square root? You didn't do. Okay, listen how to do that. It's a familiar number actually. If you want to do it, you can divide by the prime number. Divide by 2. Directly you can divide by one number, but I'm not telling you that. This one you get 72. 72 divided by 2, you are getting 36. 36 divided by 2, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. What is the answer? You're taking 1, 2 out, another 2 out, and 1, 3 out. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Because you should know 12 times 12 is 144. You are getting another 2 marks. Question number 5. Totally how many marks you get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 marks for question number 5. Okay, question number 6 is very, very, very important. But I'm not going to do question number 6 now. I'll explain you question number 7. Okay, question number 6, I'll explain you last because it's the long division method. Right, we'll go to question number 7. Put your marks correctly for these things. I'm going to move into question number 7. That is actually first approximation method. Long division method, I'll explain you in the last time, like because if we didn't have time, it's not possible. 7th question, part A, square root of 40. Now listen carefully how to do first approximation method. Square root of 40. What are the two perfect squares before and after?
36
36 and 49.
Yeah, 36 and 49. Right. 36 square root is 6. 49 square root is 7. What is the difference between 36 and 40?
4.
Only 4. What is the difference between 40 and 49? 9. So what is more closer? This one. So we start with 6.1 up to 6.5. Clear? So what is the suitable answer? I can't multiply and show you everything. I'll come to the answer directly. Okay, we'll see whether your answer is correct.
6.3.
Right.
6.3.
Okay, square root of 40, we'll see 6 points. Some are saying 6.3, some are saying 6.4. We'll check both. 6.3 into 6.3, 6.4 into 6.4. Right. What is 6.3 into 6.3? You are getting 39.69. Yeah, 6.4 into 6.4, you get 40.96. We need 40 children. So we'll subtract and see 40 minus 39.69. And also we'll subtract and see 40.96 and 40. Why are we subtracting this one? To check what is showing a less value. If anybody didn't understand anything, you have to ask me because this is the revision session. Okay, you have the chance of asking. This is 0.31 and this is 0.96. What is more less? This one. So what is the answer? Square root of 40 is approximately closer to 6.3. Raise your hand. How many of you got 6.3? Good number. Okay. Shaskrit, what did you get? Okay, got it. Very good. Everybody have get it. So here you get how many marks? I think I gave you earlier one question. 3 marks should come, right? What was the marks I gave you to this type of a question earlier? I discussed one question.
She gave 3.
3 marks. Yeah, okay. 3 marks comes. 2 marks for the answer. 1 mark for doing the correct working. Is that okay, everyone? Question number 7, part A. Now we'll go to question number 7, part B, the same method. So try to listen time to time. When you listen, you will not forget the method. Okay, question number 7, part B. What is it? It is given as 130. What are the two perfect squares closer to 130? Shaskrit, tell me what comes either side.
12 and
121 and
No,
11 and 12.
I asked only Shaskrit. Others don't open the mouth. Yes.
11 and 12.
11 and 12. That means when I ask you what are the two perfect squares, you have to tell me 121 and 144. Teacher, how can we clearly understand what is the problem? How can we clearly understand that we should multiply and see it from a certain number? Okay, she's asking like how to identify. That is actually up to you. Identifying is up to you, children. There is no other method. You should know the multiplication table. Square numbers you should know. 10 times 10 is 100. This is 130. More than that. Then 11 times 11 is 121. 12 times 12, 144. The values you are selecting in either side should be less than and greater than. That's how you are checking. Other than that, we don't have any specific method. Okay. Square root of this is 11. Square root of this is 12. What is the difference between these two? We have to get. What do you get? 130 minus 121?
9.
9.
9. Correct. 144 and 130?
14.
14. We see this is more closer. So start with 11.1, go until 11.5, right? So I can't do the all multiplication. What are the guessing values you all take?
11.4.
11.4. Okay, let me take both 11.3 and 11.4. You have to check little closer values, right? Right. What is 11.3 into 11.3?
127.69.
11.4 into 11.4?
129.96.
Right. Now let's see the difference. We need 130. So we'll subtract 130 minus 127.69. Okay, this is 129. Okay, 130 minus 129.96. I think, let me take 11.5 into 11.5. What is it?
132.25.
32.25.
25.
That value also I'll take it here because I have a, we have to check, you know, we don't know which is correct. Right, we'll subtract all these ones. Here you get 1, 9 minus 6, 3. Here you get 9 minus 7, that is 2. They're nothing, right? Here you get 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. Here nothing, right? Right, here you get 0, 0.
Miss,
2.
it should be 130.00, right?
This one?
No, the last
Ah,
one.
yeah. Thanks. Then we are getting here 0.25, 2.25, right? What is the least?
11.4.
Very good, 11.4. So that means we can say square root of 130 is approximately closer. Don't put equal mark, children. Approximately closer to 11.4. Can everybody understand what I'm explaining here?
Yes, miss.
If anybody is there who didn't understand any explanation, please raise your hand because this is your chance to get the explanation, because this is a revision class, right? So in a revision class, what you have to do, you have to clarify your doubts because we are done and dusted with the lessons, right? So make sure you clear your doubts. This is the lesson of square root first approximation method. Okay, right? For this question also you are getting 3 marks. So children, 7th question, part A 3 marks, part B 3 marks. How do you get the 3 marks? Final answer 2 marks, for the working 1 marks. Now we'll go to the 7th question, part C. How many parts are there? C and D only, ne? Okay, part C. Let me clear the board. If anybody is writing, tell me. Okay. Right. Part C. Square root of 70. What is the answer you all got? I'm not going to do the working much here.
88.4.
8.4. Any
8.3.
other? 8.3. Any other answers?
8.4.
8.4. Any other answers? Sabiha, what is your answer?
Miss 8.4.
8.4?
8.3. 8.3.
8.3. Okay, we'll see how many have taken correct answers. I have the answers with me, okay? So you all can't lie. I found one person lied me. What are the 2 other side numbers coming in the either side? Ashfan, tell me. Ashfan.
64.
Very good.
81.
Very good. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 81 is 9. Difference of this one and difference of this one. Here you get a difference of 6, I guess. Yeah, here you get a difference of how much?
11.
11, too much. This is easy. 8.1 up to 8.5 you have to check, right? So if you check and see, we'll see what's the answer, who got the correct answer. Square root of 70. You are getting 8.4. Yes, we'll check and see 8.3 and 8.4 both. Right. 8.3 into 8.3 means you are getting 68.89. 8.4 and 8.4 means you are getting 70.56. 70, right? So if you subtract this one, here you get only 0.56 difference. But if you subtract the other one, you are getting a big value, 70 minus 68.89. You are getting 1.11 difference. So this is too much. This is only easy. So 70 square root is approximately closer to 8.4. Sabiha, your answer is wrong, right? Hmm? I have the answers here. Okay, right. What about Satya's answer? Let me check it. Satya, what is the answer you got?
Miss, I have written 8.3, Miss.
8.3. Yeah, okay. I already checked your papers, right? Only thing is I didn't put the marks. That's it. I took this chance to, put your marks together. Like you all know then what are the faults you all have done. Right. Anyways, this is also 3 marks, children. You know how to put the marks there as well. 3 marks. What is the next question? C, D, last one. 7th question, last one is 560 given. So let me clear the board. Square root of 560. Right. Let me ask this question from Rukaya. Tell me what are the 2 perfect squares that you can put on the either side?
529 and 576.
Okay, she's correct. 529 and 576. You have to find those values easily. Square root of 529 and 576. What are they?
24.
20?
3 and 24.
Yeah, 23 and 24. Right. Now the difference. What is the difference between 560 and 529?
31 and 16.
31 and 16. 16 the here. Yeah, okay. Now we'll see what is closer. This one is closer. 23.5 up to 23.9. Between these 2 values, you have to check. So what are the guessing values you all can tell me?
23.7.
3.7.
7. Okay, then
3.7.
let me take 23.6 and 23.7 both. 23.6 into 23.6 means you are getting 556.96. 23.7 into 23.7, 561.69. Difference you have to take. What is the difference you get if you subtract this one? Let me check it. 560 minus 556.96, you are getting 3.04 difference. In this case, 561 minus 1.69 minus 560, you are getting 1.69. So this is very small value. So this is better. Answer for this one approximately closer to 23.7. Okay, for this one also you get 3 marks. So totally 7th question, how many marks? 12 marks. Am I correct? Yeah. Is that all, children, for 7th question?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
teacher.
Now shall we go to the question number 6? I think we have time. Yeah, half an hour is there. 6th question, long division method. Okay, now this is, you have to understand very carefully. Lots of children, they forget the method to do this. So listen carefully and mark it correctly. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the question number 6, part A. Square root of 7. Square root of 7. Right. First of all, send me your answers what you have already got. Because it's a single digit number. Yes, very good. Almost correct answers are coming. Right. Now tell me how to do this. What is the perfect square closer to 7? Perfect square number.
2.
No. Perfect square number closer to 7 is 4. What is the square root of 4? 2. That one only we are writing here. After writing it here, we write it on the top also. 2 into 2, 4. Put a box here. Right? Sorry, 2 into 2, 4 here, not writing. Sorry, here. 2 into 2, 4. Right. Then subtract 7 minus 4. That is 3. That 2 into 2, 4. You write it here. Put a box here. Now what should we do?
Bring 2 zeros.
Yeah, we have to bring 2 zeros. So keep a decimal point. Bring 2 zeros down. Now you get 300. What is the value suitable here to get 300?
6.
Somebody is telling 6. We'll put and see. How can we check it? Like this way. 46 into 6. The same number should be written. So you are getting 36 here, 24, 27. 276. If you are having a doubt, you can check for 7 also. So you are getting 9, 4, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32. This is more than 300. So we can't take this. This is the suitable value, 276. What is the number we wrote here? 6. Same number should be written here, not here, because we took 2 zeros. So the value should come here. Understand clearly? Now what should we do? 46 times 6, we got 276. Subtract this one. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. You are getting 24 here. Again, you take a couple of zeros and bring it down. You are getting 2,400. Now what should we do? Here we wrote 2 into 2, 4. Now 2 into
46.
no 2 into now listen carefully. What did we do here? 2 into 2. We wrote here 4. Now if what should we write here? 2 into 26. 2 into 26 whole number. 2 into 26 means 52. Then put a box. Now what is the suitable value we can write here to get 2,400?
4.
Somebody is telling 4. If I put 4 here, multiply it by 4. 4 times 4, 16. 4 into 2, 8. 9. 4 times 5, 20. This is better enough, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let me tell, I'm not sure. Right, then I'm checking for the next numbers. 5 into 5, 5, 2, 20, 10, 25, 27. You can see it is exceeding. Then not this one. This is the answer. So who gave that value? 4. That one should be written here. That is enough. No need to do anything anymore. Why no need? 2 decimal places are more than enough. Square root of 7 is approximately, or you can say equal to 2.64. Can you understand this one? Is it clear, children?
Yes, teacher.
If anybody is there who didn't understand, please try to listen for the next one. I'll explain the next one also. If you have not written, copy down. How many marks you can get for this one? 2 marks. Right, let me go to the part B. I'll erase the board. Part B. It is given square root of 60, 2-digit number. 60. 60, the closest perfect square is what? Perfect square.
49.
49.
49 means, yeah, okay, 49. 49 square root is 7. 7, 7 we write here. Now write down 7 times 7, 49. 60 minus 49 is 11. Then 7 times what? 7 times 2. Earlier I did a mistake. It's not multiplying the same number. You have to multiply this value by 2. 7 times 2, 14. Earlier we had 2 there and we multiplied it that way. 14. Then you are getting another change here. Then what to do? Checking for a number. Any suitable numbers you have?
7.
Because we have to take 2 zeros down. Okay, somebody's saying 7. We'll check for 7. $1,029 comes. Yeah, pretty enough. 1,029. So 7 comes. The same 7 should be written here. Now what to do? Subtracting. You get here 71. Here nothing comes. Another couple of 0 comes down. What should we write here now?
$154.
How 154 comes? $77 into 2, right? 77 into 2. Early we multiplied 7 times 2, 14. Now 77 into 2. But in the first question, I told you there was a 2 outside. Not with that, you had to multiply by just 2. 7 into 2, 14. 77 into 2 means 154 and a cage. What is a suitable number?
3.
3. Okay, let me see. Is that the
A4.
value? Can't we take anything else? 4 something, 4 times 4, 16, 17.
5.
4 times and 4, 5, 6. Again, we can take another number because very small numbers are coming. 5, 5 to 22, 25, 27, 7,007. Oh my God, this is too much. This is okay, ne? Why didn't you all take this one? 4. 4. Answer is 7.74. 7.74. That's, you are given marks for that only. If not, no marks. 3. How many marks? 2 marks question. Done?
Done.
Right. Send me your answers for part C now. Send me your answers for part C. Everyone send me. Okay, different answers I get. Very good. Different answers. So you're asking me to discuss it then. We'll see who got it correct. Part C, that is 275, 3-digit number. First of all, 1-digit number, 2-digit number, now 3-digit numbers. Look at the board. Okay, right, good. How do you do this now? How can we separate the number? Are we checking only for 2 or 227? Can you tell me?
For 2 and
We are checking for 2. Okay. Square root of 275. We'll check.
16.
Wait a second.
Yes, we can take 0, 2 and push the 7 and 5 together. now.
0 to
can we
first we have to check for 2. First we are checking for 2. We'll keep 75 aside, little aside. Don't put decimals. 2 closest perfect square is what?
1.
1. 1, 1. 1 into 1, you are getting 1. Then what should we do? Take the 75 down. Subtract this one, 100. Right?
75 should come down.
No. Wait. I did a mistake. Again, something 2 into 1 in, you're getting 1 here. You have to subtract this way. 2 times minus 1. This 75 should come down. 175. Next step, 1. Now already 1 is written. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means 2. A cage. What is a suitable value for the cage?
6.
Yeah, 6 is okay. 6. 15 comes. 156 comes. So that is 6. This 6 should be written here. Now, is there any decimal here?
No.
Decimal comes here. That means here. Couple of zeros. We need another 2 more numbers, children. 2 more numbers we need. Okay. Now we have to subtract this one. What do you get when you subtract 175 and 156?
19.
19.
18.
18. Oh my God. 5 minus 15 minus 6. You get 19. Is that correct? Yeah, 19. Why 18? Mistaken, right? Then 16 into 2. 16 times 2.
32.
32. That should be written here. What is suitable value?
5.
5. Okay, we'll see.
3.
1625. Let me check for 6. 1900. Okay, this is only better. 5 is better. Right. Now you are getting 1625. If you subtract this one, how much do you get, children?
275.
275. We need another couple of zeros. Now 165 times 2 is how much? 16.5 times 2. 165 times 2.
300.
330.
330. A cage. What suitable value you can give?
8.
8. Okay. You multiply by it, you get 26,464. 464. We'll check for 9 also. We'll check 9. I think we'll get a big value. Yeah, you are getting 29,000. So this is okay. Right. Now, what is the value you wrote here? 8. What is the answer then? 275 square root is equal to 16.58. The ones who got 16.58, we'll see how many are there. Okay, Sabiha, no, 1 point. Okay. Shaskrit, no. Hima, no. Okay, Sahdia's answer is correct. Rukaiya's answer is correct. Very good. 2 answers are correct. Others, copy down the work. It's actually another 2 marks question. 2 marks. So we have list
Teacher?
9. Yeah.
Teacher, is it a must to leave a space between 2 and 75?
It's better if you leave. The reason is, if not, you are getting confused where to write the 6 on. So that's why we separate the 2 and take double numbers, like, couple of numbers. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, we have one more question remaining. The last question, that is 84.35. It's a decimal answer. So send me your answer.
2 questions, teacher.
Huh?
2 questions.
2 questions are remaining.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Send me your answer for decimal 84.35 square root for that one answer. Okay, I'm receiving. Wait a second. Okay, yes, everybody had sent the answers. What is it? Root 84.35 decimal. How do you deal with decimals? Listen carefully. First of all, you write the number 84.35. Now, what is the closest perfect square for 84? Everyone of you all know that.
9.
81.
9. 9 means 81. 81 square root is 9. So we write 9. 9 times 9, 81. When you subtract 84 minus 81, you get 3. Bring 3, 5 here. So 9 times 2 means 18. 18 in a box. What is suitable number to the cage?
1.
1.
2.
I put 2. I put 2. What I get?
1 digit.
364. No, we had put 1. 181. 181 means here also 1. 181 times 1 means 181. When you subtract this one, how much do you get? 154, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 154. Now carry 2 zeros because we need 2 decimal places. 2 zeros down. Right. Then 91 into 2. 182 and a cage. What is the suitable value for the cage? You can write down here. 182 and 8, 4, 6. Yeah, you can get 8 times 64. This much of an answer. 14,624. Yeah, so we don't want all those things. We can write here 9.18. It's a 2 marks question. 9.18.
Teacher,
Yes, tell.
Teacher, should we have to always take the less number
What
in
do you
this
mean?
division method? The less number.
Yeah, less number means you're asking here, right? If you
Yeah.
want to take, yeah, it should not exceed this value. It should not exceed this value. It should be less than that value. That's why we take 8. If we take 9, it comes more than that. Can you understand?
Yeah, teacher.
You should take the closest value. So if you can tell, can I take 7? You can't take 7. 7 is too less, right? Like that. Okay, now send me the answers for the last question that you all have done for the 6th one. Question number 6, last one's answer. Please send me everyone. Okay, I have received Rukaiya, Shastrit, Sahdiya, Hima. Sabiha, last question, question number 6. Others also please send. Okay, right now we'll check the answer. 235.416 square root for this one. What is the set of numbers that you take first of all? Do we check for 2 or 235 whole?
2.
Only for 2. What is a perfect square? That is 1. 1 times 2 is 1 times 1 is 1. You subtract this one, you are getting 135. Now 1 into 2 is 2. A box here. What is a suitable number I can write down here?
5.
5.
Very good. 5. So 25. So here 5 means I had write down 5 in this place also. 25 into 5 means how much is that? 125. When you subtract this one, how much do you get?
10.
10.
10. They had to bring this one down, 416. So now what to do? 15 into 2. 15 into 2 means 30.
So you should bring 2 values or 3 values.
This one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you had to bring only 2 values. 6 stands alone. 6 stands alone. Yeah. Now, is it okay? Correct. 30, right? 15 times 2 we check. We put a cage here. Now what is suitable value we can write down there?
3.
3.
3 into 3, 9. So you get 900. Yeah, 300, 909. Is it okay? 2 comes here. 3 comes here. 1. Yeah. Now you can carry, can we carry 6 down? You put 3 here.
6 or only 6 and 0.
6. That's what I'm asking. Can we carry 6 alone here?
No.
No, we have to take it as a couple. Then we can put another 0. Like usually we put double zeros. So another 0 comes here, but we don't want to mind about this one. 6 0 comes. Then what is the next answer? 153 into 2. Suitable value?
4.
4.
4. If you take 4 here, if you multiply this by 4, what do you get? 12,256. Is it okay?
Okay.
Right. Answer 15.34. Is it correct, children?
Yes, teacher.
How many of you got the answer? Raise your hand. Only two. Shaskrit and Rukaya. Very good. Excellent. Now total your marks, children.
Miss, so each how much marks?
Question number 5 each. Sorry, question number 6 each 2 marks. Total 10 marks.
Okay, Miss.
Now, as you did for perimeter paper, what should you do? Put your marks like this way. Put out of 44, multiply by 100%, round it off to the nearest and send me your marks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Second question, how many marks, teacher?
Question number 1, 5 marks. Question number 2, 2 marks. Question number 3, 2 marks. Question number 4, 3 marks. Question number 5, 10 marks. Question number 6, 10 marks. Question number 7, 12 marks.
Teacher, for the first question, for each question, is it 5 marks or the whole
No.
question?
For all, for one question, only 1 mark. And I was telling you all the total marks on.
Okay, teacher.
Right, quickly send me your marks in chat box, and that's all the discussion for today's paper. So next week, probably we can discuss fractions and binomial. In between, I'll try to upload as videos the discussion of the papers. You all have to mark them, check them, and send it to me in the group. I'm sorry, personally, you have to WhatsApp me your marks. Okay, because I can't put extra classes. The reason everybody, when I'm trying to convince everyone's time, it's very difficult. So we have tried to finish discussing all these papers before the term paper that we are going to do. And also the papers will be sent to the group like inverse proportion, data representation, LCM. They will be sent to the group according to the dates that I have given for you all. So please do the papers and get ready as well. Okay, right. I'm receiving the marks. Very good. Calculate your marks correctly and send. Sabiha, what are you sending? Again, you have sent perimeter.
Miss, I sent the both.
Hmm?
Miss, I sent both.
Okay, earlier you were saying another marks. Now it's again low. What is the correct
That's
one?
wrong.
Calculate properly. Do your calculation part properly. Hima and Shaskrit, please send me your marks. Right, that's all for the day today then. God bless you, children.